Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Candy Crush profile picture. First, open the Candy Crush Saga app on your mobile device. Once the game loads, you will see the main screen. Look for the play button and tap it to proceed. After that, locate the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear or cogwheel, usually found in a corner of the screen. Tapping this icon will open a menu with various options for your game. This is your first step to personalizing your game experience. To display a custom profile picture in Candy Crush Saga, your game must be linked to your Facebook account. If you haven't already, navigate to the settings menu and find the option to connect to Facebook. Tap the Connect button and follow the prompts to authorize the link. This crucial step allows Candy Crush Saga to access your public Facebook profile picture. Without this connection, the game will use a default avatar, so ensure you complete this process. Once your Candy Crush Saga game is connected to Facebook, the process for changing your in-game profile picture is quite simple. You actually change your picture directly on Facebook. Log into your Facebook account, go to your profile, and update your profile photo there. After you've successfully changed it on Facebook, the new image will automatically synchronize with your Candy Crush Saga game. This usually happens within a few moments, so be patient for the update to appear. If your new profile picture doesn't appear in Candy Crush Saga immediately, don't worry. There are a few simple troubleshooting steps you can take. First, try completely closing and then reopening the Candy Crush Saga app. Sometimes a quick restart is all it takes to refresh the connection. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as syncing requires data. Finally, double-check your Facebook privacy settings to confirm that Candy Crush Saga has permission to access your profile information. These steps should help resolve any syncing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.